Understanding Browsing Online, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, browsing online. This is a common term in the digital age, and understanding it will help you navigate the internet more effectively. Let's dive in. Browsing online refers to the act of exploring or looking through information on the internet. This can include reading articles, watching videos, looking at images, or searching for specific information. It's like window shopping, but instead of walking through a mall, you're navigating websites. To browse online, you typically use a web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. This software allows you to visit different websites by typing in their addresses or using a search engine like Google. The process is easy. 1. Open your web browser. 2. Type in a website address or search query. 3. Navigate through the search results or website content. While browsing online, you'll encounter several common terms. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the web address of a site. Search engine, a tool for finding information online, e.g., Google. Hyperlink, a link you can click on to take you to another web page. Bookmark, a way to save a website for easy access later. To make your browsing experience efficient and safe, remember these tips. Use reputable search engines. Be aware of internet safety, like avoiding suspicious links. Use bookmarks for websites you visit frequently. Keep your browser updated for a better and safer experience. Browsing online is a fundamental skill in today's digital world, and understanding it can greatly enhance your internet experience. We hope this video has clarified what it means to browse online and how to do it effectively. Happy browsing, and see you in our next video.